Yesterday, an anti-terrorism court in Pakistan sentenced Dr Mahrang Baloch and a few other activists to life imprisonment. Dr Mahrang Baloch has spent years peacefully advocating for the families of the disappeared, speaking up against extrajudicial killings and demanding justice for the people of Balochistan, occupied territory by Pakistan. She was arrested in March 2025 during a peaceful sit-in in Quetta while calling for accountability after protesters were killed. For more than a year, she remained in detention, facing isolation, concerns over medical neglect, and charges as an attempt to criminalize peaceful political activism. Her trial was conducted behind closed doors inside a high-security prison, away from public scrutiny and independent observation, raising serious concerns about transparency and due process. This case is about more than just one individual. It is about what happens when peaceful dissent is treated as a crime and when those who speak up against oppression are themselves silenced. Human rights lawyer Iman Mazari, who represented Mahrang in court, is also facing imprisonment in connection with her outspoken criticism of state actions and her public advocacy for civil liberties. Her case has been widely discussed as part of a broader pattern in which dissenting voices face legal pressure and criminalization. You can imprison people, but you cannot imprison the truth. You cannot silence an entire movement by locking away its voices. The world cannot continue to look away from this. Stand with Dr Mahrang Baloch and all those imprisoned for peacefully demanding justice. Demand accountability, demand due process, and demand their freedom. Free Mahrang and free Balochistan.